Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make homemade curry powder. This is my family recipe that has been in my family for a very long time. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of coriander seeds, 1 cup of dried curry leaves, half a cup of rice. You can use any rice of your choice, 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, 5 star anise, 1 teaspoon of cardamom seeds, 10 cm piece of cinnamon sticks broken into pieces, and 1 teaspoon of cloves. You will also need a grinder to grind the spices. If you do not have a grinder, then you can use a mortar and pestle and grind it into a fine powder in small batches. And you will also need a sieve, and if you do not have a sieve, you can use a sifter or a strainer. First thing we need to do is dry roast some of the spices. Take a fry pan, put it on low heat, add coriander seeds and dry roast it for 5 minutes, stirring it continuously. After 5 minutes, take it out in a big dish. Put the pan back on low heat, add fennel seeds, cumin seeds and fenugreek seeds and dry roast it for 3 minutes, stirring it continuously. Add it to the dish with roasted coriander seeds. Put the pan back on low heat again, add rice and dry roast it for 8 minutes or until you get a light brown color. Turn the heat off and add it to the dish with the roasted spices. Now take the dish with the roasted spices and add curry leaves, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom seeds and star anise and let it cool down for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, grind the spices into a fine powder using a grinder in small batches. Strain the powder using a sieve or strainer. Any large pieces remaining in the sieve can be added back to the grinder jar and ground again. Repeat this process until you have finished grinding up all the spices. Store the curry powder in a sealed container and use it to make your favorite curries. To keep it fresher for months, keep it in the fridge. My homemade curry powder is ready. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel.